Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your necks looks more beautiful in a video by using the CapCut PC enhancement feature. I've already added a clip, and to enable the enhancement, you need to click on the clip and go to the video tab and click on enhance. So in here, just scroll down until you find this body section. So you need to turn this on by clicking on the check box here, and you'll see a beautiful neck. So what you need to do to use this feature is just swipe this panel to the right like this, and there will be some changes in the neck here. So just swipe it to the right like this, and it will makes your necks looks more beautiful. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.